there, friend, and welcome to the 6-day ab challenge. Over the next 6 days, we're going to go over 6 different 6-minute exercises that are going to help you build your core strength. Core strength is essential for great posture, as well as helping you maintain perfect form during exercises. So today, being day 1, we're going to go over a series of 6 different exercises that you're going to perform for 1 minute each. Feel free to increase difficulty as needed and or modify to suit you. Make sure to keep your core tight at all times, keep breathing, and just follow along. To start off with, we're going to go in with a basic crunch, starting off in about 5 seconds for 1 minute. Take it slow and breathe. Ready? Let's go. Crunching. Make sure you're breathing and activating that core. Thirty more seconds to go. Remember to breathe. 15 seconds. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. We're going to go in with some reverse crunches. You can do these with your legs just bent. We're going in for a minute. Breathing is key. Now, keep going, but if you're someone who finds it difficult to get into that reverse crunch, feel free to bring a weight that you're going to hold on to up at the top. Keep going. 30 more seconds. Stay strong. 15 seconds to go. Let's go. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. We're going to go in to some flutter kicks. You can keep your hands down here or bring them all the way up. Are you ready? Let's go. 1 minute. Making sure, keep that core engaged and just flutter kick. If you need to put your legs down for a second because you need a break, feel free to do so. But what we're trying to do is maximize through these next 6 minutes. You've got 45 seconds. Again, just a little rest if you need it, because by now, I know it's burning, friend. I know it's burning. Let's keep pushing. We're in there. Whoo! Oh yes. At the end of these 6 days, you're gonna be a different kind of animal. Come on, we're almost there. 10 seconds left. Push through these 10 seconds. After this, we're gonna go into some Russian twists. 3, 2, whoo, and 1. Come on, bringing yourself up. Going into a Russian twist. Legs are up, bring our hands. Are you ready? Let's go. Going into this, I initially thought, oh, 6 minutes? What a breeze. We've got 45 seconds left. Sitting up, take a little break where needed. Come on. Oh, geez, we're 30 seconds down. Let's keep going. 15 more seconds to go with 2 exercises, friend. If you want to bring those legs up, you certainly can. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Oh, I welcome it. Ready? Laying back. We're going to do elbow to knee, laying flat. Let's go for it. Come on. Remember, breathe through it all. Engage that core. Let's go, 20 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, come on. Last one. Next up, you're going to give me some half wipers. That means your legs are gonna be up and we're going to rotate them side to side. Are you ready to go? Let's go. Using those obliques to control. This is your last exercise. We're working, friend. Come on, keep going. We've got 23 seconds left. Come on. Control. Use those obliques. Almost there. Come on. Last few seconds. Let's go. Well done. Whew. Rolling up. Let's turn up onto our stomachs and we're just going to stretch those abs up. Ready for day 2. I will see you tomorrow.